National Weather Service Cleveland has issued a flood warning for ice jam flooding in northern Huron County, southern Erie County, until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday at 5:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Local law enforcement reported an ice jam on the Huron River at mileage just north of the State Route 250 bridge. The backwater from the ice jam is raising the Huron River and tributaries near NOAA and northern portions of Huron County. As temperatures fall below freezing overnight, the ice jam could become locked in place. The routed water from upstream will crest tonight, so by morning the backwater should show improvement if the ice jam remains. Ice jams will cause water to rise rapidly behind the ice, with water advancing rapidly away from the river in both directions. Some locations that will experience flooding include Milan and Norwalk. Ice jam flooding can occur suddenly and advance into an area from an unusual direction. If you see water approaching, move away from the river to higher ground. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron.